How to save a video from CapCut to gallery. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can save a video from CapCut to a gallery in your mobile device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up CapCut application in your mobile device. And you have to edit your video as needed. And once you're done editing your video, you have to tap on export button at the top right corner. After that, the CapCut will begin rendering and saving your video. This process may take a few moments depending upon your video's length and resolution. Now, once the export is complete, you will see an option such as share directly to your social media, and the video will automatically be saved on your device gallery or your photos application in the CapCut folder or any other default video folder. If you go back and look up your gallery in your device, there you will find the video that you have recently exported from CapCut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.